अभिनंदन, आभार, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. Ladies and gentlemen, a very fresh good morning to all. We welcome you in the annual function of our school. काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए, हर कदम ऐसा चलो कि निशान बन जाए. ये जिंदगी तो हर कोई काट लेता है, जिंदगी जियो इस कदर कि मिसाल बन जाए.
Recognizing that confidence is not something we are born with. It is a skill, it's like a muscle almost. If you think be confident, it will change your life. Confidence is the feeling you have when you believe that you are capable of handling a situation successfully. You are not born with confidence. It is something that anyone can develop. It is the most beautiful thing you can possess. Confidence is better than perfection because perfection means doing the best and confidence means knowing how to handle the worst. Thank you. Have a good day.
Myself Hassan Khan, belong to class 4th. Today I am here to utter the thought, and the thought of the day is education is a passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. I would like to repeat the thought in Hindi. शिक्षा भविष्य का पासपोर्ट है क्योंकि कल उन्हीं का है जो आज इसकी तैयारी करते हैं. Thank you. Have a good day.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, teachers, parents and all my dear friends, good morning to all. Myself Asia and my topic is moral values. Moral values are the compass that guides us through life. Values like honesty, kindness, compassion and respect are not just nice to have, they are essential to building and maintaining healthy relationships with others. Moral values allow us to be the best version of ourselves. Including moral values is a lifelong process and it requires consistency, patience and commitment. By living according to our value, we make ethical decisions and live a fulfilling life. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Ghazi Abbas from class 5th. Today I am here to present a speech on safe environment. As we all know that environment is the basic surrounding of our living. The environment contains all the natural sources like air, water, sunlight, trees, human beings. We need all a healthy environment for a healthy living. Nowadays our modern living is playing an adverse role in the cycle of natural environment. Nowadays our modern living is playing an adverse role in the cycle of natural environment. Now I would like to wrap up my word. Please make effort to save our environment. पेड़ों को काटने से बचाने में सफल हो जाओगे तभी पर्यावरण को स्वच्छ बना पाओगे. जब तुम पेड़ लगाओगे, लोगों को जागरूक बनाओगे तभी पर्यावरण की सुरक्षा कर पाओगे. Thank you. Have a great day.
Firstly, good morning to all. I heartily welcome to all the wonderful people present here on this very auspicious occasion. I want to share my views with you on the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the most significant mission of Indian history. It was cleanliness drive campaign initiated by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to communicate the vision of Mahatma Gandhi. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the national level. It was initiated by the Indian government to clean all backward region, rural, urban cities and towns. This campaign includes the promotion of health and sanitation program in the rural areas, cleaning of road and street. The overall campaign was initiated to create awareness and among people. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan set a lot of objectives to achieve so that Indian could better become cleaner. In addition, it is not only appeal the sweeper and worker but all the citizens of the country. This help is making the message each wider. Thank you. Have a good day.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, Chief Guests, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all. This is Bushra, belong to class 2nd. Today I am here to represent a speech on kindness. Kindness means to be good to every person around us. It is a quality of being polite to others. We need to be kind to everyone. Kind people help someone who is in need and never expect anything in return. At last, I request you all to be kind to everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all. Today I am here to represent my speech on education is one blessing of life. We must work, not wait, not just the politician is the one leader. We all need to contribute, me, you, we. It is our duty we realize. The importance of light when we see darkness, we realize the importance of our voice when we are silenced. In the same way, we realize the importance of pens and books when we saw the guns. Why is it that giving guns is so easy but giving books is so hard? That making tanks is so easy but building schools is so hard? One child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the world. Education is only solution and education first. Thank you.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, teachers, parents and all my dear friends, good morning to all. Myself Hayat belong to class 6th. Today I am here to represent my speech on human rights. Human rights are the most basic rights which are bestowed on each and every individual. These human rights take up their action right from the birth of these individuals till their death to them apart with their own right. Every other human on this planet, irrespective of their caste, religion, creed, gender, nationality, social status or color, are entitled of this right, while their rights are being protected by respective country laws. Thank you.
Performance that will mesmerize your senses and makes your heart sway. To represent this speech, I would like to call Afi to please come on the stage and represent your speech on annual day. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hand together.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir and our esteemed Chief Guest, teacher, parents and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. Today, as we are celebrating one more fantastic year, especially for our bright, young, talented students. Today is a day to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our students, teacher and staff. This year has been an exceptional for our school and we have achieved many milestones together. Today, as it is much anticipated event by student and staff, it is an opportunity for our students to showcase their talent and learn to collaborate through performance like dancing and speeches. I truly appreciate the efforts of the parents, teacher and the student for gathered to make this day memorable. Let me also take this opportunity to express our gratitude to our teacher and staff who worked tirelessly to make our school what it is today. Let us embrace the spirit of celebration and unity on this day and continue to work toward making our school the best it can be. Thank you all for your time and attention.
Thank you, Afi, for your beautiful performance. Now, again we have one more speech, and to represent this speech, I would like to call Nupur to please join us on the stage with her beautiful speech on women empowerment.
Good morning to all. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Nupur Punyani. A warm welcome to each and every one of you on this auspicious day. We are delighted by the presence of our esteemed guests, beloved teacher, dedicated staff, and of course our wonderful students. Today my topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment means elevating the status of women in society.
It will help in elimination of violence against women and girls at every level. Women are the symbol of richness and strength. They have a vital role of being a mother, wife, teacher, chef, companion and take care. It is necessary to understand the power of women and let them go ahead to make themselves independent and the power of family and country. There are so many laws for empowering women, but none are effective and are followed by people. It is not the responsibility of our government only. It is the responsibility of each and every Indian. Every Indian needs to change their mind towards women. On this context, I would like to wrap up my speech and hope one day in the country, every woman will be empowered in true means. Thank you. Have a nice day.
आप सभी के आभारी हैं हम, जिन्होंने अपने समय का महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा हमारे लिए समर्पित किया। धन्यवाद। दोस्तों, आज के इस प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत मैं करना चाहूँगी। मैं फिर से आपका पुनः स्वागत करना चाहूँगी कि आपने हमें अपने कीमती समय का हिस्सा दिया। आपकी मौजूदगी हमारे लिए बेहद मायने रखती है। प्लीज़ गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर योरसेल्फ ऑल्सो। And we have one more speech performance, and to represent this speech, I would like to call Sania Malik to please come on the stage with your speech.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, our esteemed Chief Guests, teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all. Myself, Sania Malik, my topic is punctuality. Punctuality refers to the habit of a human being completing their task on time. We can say that punctuality is a great habit which surely results in success. All the leaders have punctuality in common as the habit is such. It will help you achieve your goals faster within a set time period. Moreover, it also makes you a man, and habit, it also makes you realize the importance of time. We can now safely say that is definitely the key to success. As we know, when we become punctual, everything falls in order. Likewise, success will too. When you become successful, you know that you can arrive at your destination easily. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Sania, for your valuable words you shared with us.